Welcome back to Decor channel. Today in this video I will show you the latest wallpaper designs for bedroom. Nowadays this type of wallpaper has most popular in the world. We all want to make some changes in the interior of our house from time to time. In this regard, using wallpaper is also considered very good. When you choose wallpaper to decorate your walls, you will be able to change it as many times as you want without any hassle. On the other hand, getting the house painted can be quite a hassle, but wallpaper is far ahead in this matter. Wallpaper can add texture and interest to a room with the variety of designs and patterns available. Wallpaper can hide small flaws in the wall. Wallpaper can last up to 15 years, which is 3 times longer than paint. Wallpaper can be a cost-effective and durable way to decorate your home. It can also hide wall flaws and change the look of a room quickly. If you want to ask any kind of question, you can do it in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for inspiring home decor ideas.